Right, and then narcissism, of course, which is sort of affinitized to mythological mediums. So when you look at it objectively, intersubjectivity phenomenology, in fact,
an accent, the West Indian accent.
That's where mutually exclusive disciplines overlap, right? So these are the areas I find intriguing because these things are self-referential, and it's the most pervasive definition of the word free will is the freedom to take action, make decisions, and govern events that's in accordance and at the discretion of one's personal motivation.
And frequency may be soft, but yet frequency is a higher pitch. What is a pitch?
In music, you have also sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception, trajectory that occurs. We can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.